Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Did you enjoy your holidays? Yes. Today in English we are going to learn from workbook children. Okay, that is the new watchman. Already we have learned in CB book, isn't it? Now we will do in the workbook. See here, page number 38. Page number 38. The new watchman. Now, the new watchman. Now here we have a story of a wolf and the toy lamb. Toy lamb means it's a toy. You'll be I think you'll be having toys, isn't it? At home you'll be playing with the toys. Yes, like that. This is about the wolf and the toy lamb. An old man and an old woman live in a house on a hill. Live in a house on a hill. Hill means, see, hills, kondal, like this you will be having. So, they'll here. Like this. Got it? An old man and an old woman lived in a house on a hill. The old man makes tables and chairs. So what does the old man do? He makes tables and chairs which you sit, chair, with the wood. He used to do with the wood. The old woman makes soft stuffed toys. Soft stuffed toys means teddy bears. Or even you can see like a lion, tiger. They'll be very soft if you press them. They'll be very soft, isn't it? So inside that they'll keep cotton. So that's why they'll be very soft. The old woman makes soft stuffed toys. There is a wooden bench outside the house. Outside the house they have a wooden bench. They have a wooden bench outside the house. They have a wooden bench. If you are there in school, you'll be sitting on that bench, isn't it? That one. There is a rocking chair in the living room. Rocking chair. The chair will be like this. Rocking chair. It will be having wheels like this. Like this you'll be having wheels. Rocking chair. You can sit and just swing like this. Front and back. Okay. The old man likes to sleep on the bench in the afternoon. So, where was the bench? Outside the house. So, the old man likes to sleep on the bench. After having his lunch in the afternoon, he likes to sleep on the bench. The old woman likes to sit on the rocking chair near the window. And the old woman, she likes to sit in the rocking chair which was near the window. One day, a wolf comes near the house. Wolf, it is a wild animal. So one day wolf came near the house. The wolf sees the man sleeping. Because the man slept outside the house, isn't it? On the bench. And slowly the wolf came and it saw the man sleeping on the bench. The wolf is very hungry. The wolf was feeling very hungry. It slowly moves towards the bench. So slowly it was coming towards the bench, towards the old man. The old man was sleeping on the bench. So slowly the wolf was coming near. The old woman looks out the window and sees the wolf. So the old woman was sitting in the rocking chair near the window, isn't it? So suddenly the old woman saw through the window outside like this. And what did she see? She saw a wolf. She saw a wolf. She is very scared. Scared means bhayam. So she is very scared. But she gets an idea. Did she shout? No. If she shouts, the wolf would bite the old man. She did not shout. She was thinking. Then she got an idea. She picks up a toy lamb. She picks up a toy lamb from the toy basket and throws it on the ground near the bench. So where the old man was sleeping on the bench, there, what did she do? She picks up a toy lamb from the toy basket and she threw it near the bench, outside near the bench. The wolf sees the lamb and stops. So suddenly when the old woman threw the toy lamb, suddenly wolf saw that lamb and it stops going near the old man. Now the wolf did not go near the old man. Slurp, slurp. Lamb is its favorite food. So wolf likes very much it. Wolf likes to eat lambs. So it is favorite food for lambs. The wolf jumps on the toy lamb. So when she saw that lamb there, suddenly it jumps on it. Now it did not go near the old man. It jumps on the toy lamb, picks it up and runs away down the hill. So when the old woman throws the toy lamb near the bench, the wolf jumps on the toy lamb and picks it up and runs away down the hill. The old man and the old woman quickly run inside the house. Now they are safe. So after the wolf went off, the old man and the old woman, they quickly, means fast, they went fast inside the house and closed their doors. And now they are safe. When they are inside, they are safe now. Okay? Now, here in page number 39, children, page number 39. Here you have question answers. Read the story and answer the following questions. You have here question answers. Now we will write. Those are based on this story only. The wolf and the toy lamb. Now, once again, because these questions are based on this story only, isn't it? So, just we will read this. An old man and an old woman live in a house on the hill. Now, the old man makes tables and chairs, and the old woman, she makes soft stuffed toys. Now, after eating, the old man likes to sleep out on the bench, which is outside the house. And old woman, she likes to sit in the rocking chair, which is near the window. And one day what happened? The wolf came. When the old man was sleeping, the wolf came and it was very hungry. It was going near the old man. Then what did the old woman do? She saw suddenly outside and what did she do? She took out a toy lamb from the toy basket and threw it outside. Then suddenly the wolf saw that and jumps on the toy lamp and pick it up and it will go away. The wolf runs away down the hill. Now quickly the old woman and old man went inside the house. They are safe. Now we will write this, children, this question answers. I'll write on the board. You can copy down. Okay. So all of you open your English workbook, page number 39. Yes, you write the date, children. All of you write the date. Now write classwork also. I'll write the sentence and answers on the board. You can write. See here. Questions are here and you have a dash here. In this dashes you have to write the answers. Now first one. Who lives in a house on the hill? An old man and an old woman. Old woman. Second one. Who likes to sit on the rocking chair? The old woman. The old woman. The old woman likes to sit on the rocking chair near the window, isn't it? Yes. Third one. Who sleeps on the bench? The old man. The old man sleeps on the bench which is outside the house. Next, number 4. Who gets an idea? The old woman. The old woman gets an idea to throw the toy lamp. Next, 5th one. Who throws the toy lamp on the ground? Who throws the toy lamp on the ground from the window? The old woman. The old woman. Next, last one. Who jumps on the toy lamp? The wolf. The wolf. Got it? Copy down this, children, neatly in your workbook. Now, next one, children. Down you have here some more pictures. Here you should do matching. Okay? Read the words in the boxes. Help the babies find their mothers by drawing the line from baby to mother. One has done for you. See here, they have given animals and their babies also. One already they did, cat and kitten. The rest we will do matching now. Okay. Now here, deer, from deer to found. Next, from goat to kid. Goat to kid. Next, horse, fowl. Horse, fowl. Next, tiger, cub. Tiger, cub. Next, duck, duckling. Duck, duckling. Next, sheep, lamb. Sheep, lamb. Draw this neatly, children. Match animals to their babies. Got it? Thank you.